Good morning. Today is Tuesday, February 15, 2022. It is 9:23 in the morning. Already in Lexington, completed 2 deliveries. Man, it was cold this morning when I left home, but now it's at 32 degrees, sunny and clear skies. So, the first order of the day that I received was at 8:30 to Wendy's for $7.42. Then, as I was pulled up to Wendy's to pick up the order, Panera or DOORDASH offered me a Panera Corporate, 4.7 miles for $8, which I stacked both of them. And that Panera turned into 1872. It turned out to be 4 or 5 cases of bagels or something. Catering order considered by Panera, even though nowhere did it say here that it was a catering order. So got it complete, delivered, and now back waiting for more orders. So in about 50 minutes round trip, $26. Okay, from what was it, 8:30 or 9:30 till just right now was total silence. I've been able to get a nap and also started watching my favorite reality show from Moscow.
Make a
I'll
left
share
turn
with
on
you
City
guys.
Drive, then make a right turn on East Brannan Road.
Where Guy has a team, works for one of the very large TV shows company, where they actually go and expose and deal with people that are committing various different frauds. Very interesting show, very popular, and does a lot of good for people in the area. So very interesting. And just right now, Uber sent, and I haven't finished watching it yet, how Uber sent me this offer of $7.87 for 6 miles, 26 minutes. I should be able to get it done and move on to something chick and move on. Usually chick with Uber, very rarely I have to wait. Not as common as with the DoorDash, where you have to wait a lot more. So I'll be back and we'll proceed with this delivery. Okay, completed that delivery and on our way back, just finally been able to get on DoorDash. I had a schedule from 11:30, so, and I have it scheduled, let me see, till 10:30 in the evening, so no breaks, no lunch. See how it goes. Hoping it's going to turn out to be good. Had a good morning. Let's put it this way. It hasn't been as good as yesterday, but with that catering order, definitely helped out. So now we'll see what happens next. Okay, I got this offer. I had to wait a little at the restaurant to pick it up. Reason I took it, not because of the money. You know, money is okay. I prefer $9, $10 or higher deliveries. Money is okay, or hidden tip deliveries that above $6.25. The money is okay, but it takes me to another shopping center. From there, I'm hoping I can get some good paying orders going other places. So that's the reason why I took that order. And I should be done with it by 11:52 or so. Be back. Did it work? Yep. So we completed that Chick-fil-A order. Then we got the tender fine Indian cuisine, which we completed that. And that turned into $7.25 from $6.25. So that puts us at $57 for the day. And waiting for more orders. Okay, then we got this offer for $8. I completed it. Now I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna go next. There's a lot of offers coming in when you're in a busy spot, but 99% of them are just not worth even your time to consider. So yeah, this one's done. Now let me figure out where I'm going next. Yeah, customer service at DoorDash became horrible. Used to be chat, you got on within 2-3 minutes. They resolved everything within 5. Today they capped me. You no longer have an option to call in, only chat. Or at least that's the only option given to me. And they have altered, so the chat is different right now. You don't see how many people are in front of you like they used to before. And they have no clue what they're doing. Took me 45 minutes. Took them 45 minutes to cancel an order because restaurant, they had fire. Tablets got destroyed when the sprinkler system went off. Restaurants still having issues fixing themselves. So they're not taking more orders than just the walk-ins while they were working on fixing stuff. So it's just crazy. So let's look where we at. So we had the gold. Hold on. I think I lost myself now. No.
In a quarter mile, make a left turn on Walton Avenue using the upcoming left lane.
Okay, that's one. Okay, so this is the restaurant where I couldn't get them to release me from that order. So while I was on a chat with them, I did this order right here. And then I did this order right here, which PF Chains. And we have UDM live stream. And right now, I am taking this order, which takes me all the way down south of the mall. So that puts me with 925. Did I put that one in? Yep. So and I also did cut down the 975 to 450, which should be about 467 or something, half pay. So So that just put me right over $100 for the day. Am I gonna be able to pull off $200 today? We'll see.
In a quarter mile, make a left turn on East
But
Main
this is
Street
the
using
reality so
upcoming
far.
left lane.
So I will be back. Okay, when I completed 925, I got the Applebee's with the Grubhub for $18.97. Then I got another Bob Evans for $12.53. And that was it. After that, I went home. I did spend a lot of time with a UDM live stream with questions with a private call. So after the meeting, we stayed in the chat and chatted. So I kind of didn't want to turn on other apps, or during the stream I had all my apps off. So my total for the day, where is it? Is 137.59. If I would have kept on dashing and just stick to work, I probably would have got close to 200, if not did the 200 for the day. So it is what it is. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.